Mr. Hibbert office.
Hello, can I speak to Hibbert, please?
I'm afraid he's in a meeting until lunchtime. Can I take a message?
Will I like to an appointment to see him, please? It's Peter Jefferson here.
Could you hold on for a minute? Mr. Jefferson, I'll just look in the diary. So when's confinement for you?
Some till next week if possible. I get away the following week.
Yes, that's right. He's on holiday for a fortnight.
Will I need to see him before he goes away? So would next Wednesday be okay?
Wednesday? Let me see. He's out of the office all morning, but he's free in the afternoon after about 3.
The allowed is difficult, but I could make it after 4.
So shall we say 4:15 next Wednesday in Mr. Hibbert's office?
Yes, that sounds fine. Thank you very much.
Okay, then bye.